Don't ever lose hope. Don't ever say you're alone. When the Lord protects, no one can touch you. Even if all hell breaks loose on you, you are saved. The Lord will make sure He'll put you through that fire. But guess what? He'll take you through the fire as a nugget of gold to purify you, not to destroy you. You see, gold must go through fire. If it doesn't go through fire, it will never be pure. It will never increase in value. But when you put it through fire, the fire burns the gold. The fire melts the gold from a nugget to liquid. But that liquid is poured in a plate where you regain the image and the likeness of God once again. Pure gold, without a blemish, without a stain. This is my son. When I created him in the Garden of Eden, I came to bring you back to that very first image that I made you with. Trust in the Lord.